In modern hospitals, safety and efficiency go hand in hand with RFID-enabled systems. Every step in the patient journey becomes smarter and safer. Behind the scenes, the required surgical instruments are added to a tray, scanned and verified for completeness. The instruments are then sterilized, and RFID confirms its readiness for the operating theatre. Once sealed, a tray's movement is logged through RFID readers, automatically updating location and readiness. In the operating theatre, surgical sets, medication and tools used are automatically scanned and paired with the patient, ensuring everything is present and recorded. After surgery, all instruments are checked again, confirming completeness and preventing retention risks. RFID seamlessly tracks instrument location while monitoring real-time usage and wear, ensuring proactive control and timely replacements. This fully integrated RFID solution is brought to you by Brady and CareTag.